Welcome to Training My Hobby channel. In this video, I will discuss part 2 of the streaming data generation ideas. This video is a continuation of previous video on streaming data generation for human activity recognition.
Training My Hobby is all about seeking and sharing knowledge.
Welcome back. Firstly, let us quickly recap what we discussed in part 1. We highlighted various points including subject matter on human activity recognition, data generation solution design, its volume and size, data generation data structure for human activity, and popular human variable sensor datasets. In this video, we discuss point 2 in the overall plan, that is approaches for producing human sensor data. For defining the approaches, I have done research by studying or watching Google Cloud Next 2020 talks, especially a talk on driving transformation in manufacturing. Picked up a good topic called Industrial AI from that talk. Extended my study on Industrial AI and found that smart textiles or e-textiles is emerging in Industrial AI. Also found that the Ohio State University have done some research and prototypes on wearable electronic textiles. I have used all these learnings to develop ideas on streaming data generation for human activity recognition. So, from strategic perspective, first I define an objective. We need to do data generation for human activity recognition. Second, identify industrial AI as a domain. Third, the streaming data we generate should also be useful for learning AI/ML approaches like reinforcement learning, computer vision, and more. All this is because purpose of this channel videos is to generate streaming data and use the generated data during learning of various streaming technologies. Finally, I am recommending a smart textile based streaming solution as an example application for data generation to learn Kafka, Spark, GCP PubSub, and other streaming technologies. This slide highlights the example application. Assume you are attending a large tech summit somewhere in Las Vegas where 100,000 attendees are also attending. Such tech summits have multiple summit sessions happening in the summit rooms at the same time. It is quite common to have a plastic badge as a summit ID. Based on smart textile learnings which we discussed in previous slides, now in our example application, we are replacing that plastic badge ID with a smart textile badge that acts as a sensor in our example application. Such tech summits will have a registration desk. In our example application, consider summit attendees getting smart textile badge during registration. Once registration is completed, summit attendees check into session rooms and also roam around this summit location. Some might exit the summit location for various reasons. Consider our summit location having motion scanners that are interconnected with the smart textile badges which each summit attendee is wearing. Now, back to our streaming data generation approaches. Based on the Tech Summit example application, we can define following human activities for our data generation approach like summit session entered, exiting, standing in the session, roaming the summit area, outside of the summit location zone, at summit cafeteria, at summit registration desk are all possible human activities recognition which we can do with our generated data. So, concluding our data generation approach thoughts, in this video we discussed our objective, shortlisted smart textile sensor as our source of data generation, and defined smart textile streaming solution as our overall application, identified smart badge as our sensor, highlighted what human activities we consider in our sample application. In addition, for our example application, we can consider a minimum of 100,000 attendees in the summit, a highly scalable REST API based application to capture the motion sensor data and store in technologies like Kafka, Kinesis, and others. This is the last slide where we are revisiting our overall plan for data generation idea. With this video, we completed the second planned activity, that is approaches for producing human sensor data. In the next videos, we discuss more technically about streaming messaging topic management like Kafka topic or GCP PubSub or AWS Kinesis and its related subject matter. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something, a new idea related to streaming data generation. Happy learning.